My dear students, as you know, we concluded first lesson that was entitled as the lost lesson, and now we are dealing with some questions. First, uh, it is given on page number 9, understanding the text. The first question is: the people in this story certainly realize how precious their language is to them. What shows you this? What does this mean? First of all, we have to understand what the question tells us. The question, what the question tells us, and what the question demands us when we write its answer. The question says some people, French people, and among them were some elderly people, some very young students, and the readers of this text, we should say, uh, how they realize, how they suddenly realize that their language is very precious to them. And what shows this? We have to we have to describe that what shows this in the text and why this happened. Were they not previously uh, aware about the importance of their mother tongue? Let's discuss. From the text, we know that others had come from Berlin to teach only German in the classrooms or in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. And Mr. Hamel was teaching the French or teaching French language for the from the last 40 years, and his services were acknowledged by the common man, being a very faithful and dedicated teacher. When the others came from the Berlin, that in other words, we should say that the teaching of French is banned in the two districts, that's Alsace and Lorraine, and the people among them were some elderly people came in order to extend their thanks for Mr. Hamel's 40 years dedicated service as a teacher. And when he delivered the lesson, his last lesson, he stressed upon that Germans should, that the French should love their mother tongue, and they should never forget it, because mother tongue is as important as their life is important to them. Once they are imprisoned, once they are enslaved, if they stick fast to their mother tongue, they will respect their mother tongue, they will keep their mother tongue. They It means that there is a key to their prison with them, and that is and this was the time the listeners and the readers who were present in the classroom certainly realized that uh, their mother tongue was very precious to them. Now let's take next question. And I would tell you that, dear students, you when you read your lesson very uh, thoroughly and very carefully with comprehension and understanding, and you can write your answers according to your own understanding. There is no need to consult the guides and the teacher's notes, not necessary. So now, understanding the text, question number second is given. French thanks. Will they make them sing in the German, even the pigeons? What could this mean? क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि क्या वो हमारे कबूतरों को भी जर्मन में ही अपनी वो आवाज़ या वो कू जो करते हैं जर्मन में ही उनको भी ऐसे आदेश मिलेंगे या ऐसे आर्डर्स मिलेंगे कि उनको जर्मन लैंग्वेज का ही इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा? व्हाट कुड दिस मीन? हालांकि वो जो पिजन्स हैं वो कोई लैंग्वेज नहीं बोलते हैं. व्हाट कुड दिस मीन? इसका आखिर क्या मतलब है? It means that, as far my understanding is, it means that the writer criticized the orders of the German, orders which came from Berlin. He criticizes them, or he, one should say, condemns them. वो इनकी मजम्मत करता है, वो इनकी क्रिटिसाइज करता है, वो इनको खातिर में नहीं लाता है. इस वजह से उसने क्या कहा कि शायद इतने आर्डर्स ज़ोर ज़बरदस्ती से निकाले जाते हैं कि हमारे पिजन्स को भी शायद जर्मन ही में अपने आवाज़ वगैरह एक्टिविटीज़ करने उनको भी मतलूब हैं. आखिर व्हाट कुड दिस मीन? इसका क्या मतलब है? It means that the Germans can enslave the man. Germans can enslave the body. Germans can put us into the prison. But it is impossible for them to take away our mother tongue, take away the French language from the French. Because French language is in the blood of the French. It can't be finished as long as they are alive. This is the real meaning, real, one should say, crux of the question. मतलब ये कि जो जर्मन्स हैं वो आपको जेल में डाल सकते हैं, गुलाम बना सकते हैं, लेकिन जो जहाँ तक जर्मन लैंग्वेज का, इस फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज का ताल्लुक़ है, फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज चूँकि फ्रांसीसियों के ब्लड में बसी है, वो इनके खून में है, वो इस लैंग्वेज को बिल्कुल ख़त्म नहीं कर सकते हैं जब तक फ्रेंच लोग ज़िंदा हैं. Thank you very much. This is enough for today.